If your commercial office space is in need of a thorough deep cleaning, be sure to use carpet cleaning technology specific to commercial carpets and their glue-down installations. Most commercial carpets are cleaned with cleaning systems developed for residential carpets and their padded installations. However, commercial carpets are glued down to the office building's subfloor and will not allow airflow required for traditional residential methods using vacuum extraction. This method will produce an overly wet carpet, full of dirt-attracting residues, reappearing spots, and unhealthy, stinky mold and mildew. This standard way of cleaning does not work. Instead, Advanced Cleaning Systems' award-winning deep cleaning method, specific for cleaning commercial carpets, uses a low-moisture solution which dries within 1 hour, completely eliminating mold and mildew. Plus, this deep cleaning, eco-friendly system leaves behind no residues or reappearing spots, helping your carpet stay cleaner longer, saving money with better results. Expect to be impressed. So, give us a call and save some money and grief.